Here we have a 2009 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 Classic Limited. This video in particular is going to talk about your flasher relay. Okay, so what we've done on this bike is we have upgraded everything to LEDs, so no more filament bulbs, no more halogen, it's pure LED. So if you're doing this yourself and you find that you're having fast flashing or hyper blinking turn signals, then this video is for you. Okay, the fast flashing, hyper blinking is caused by the fact that you've significantly reduced the load on that relay. That relay is expecting a certain load. When you turn the turn signal on, the LED is not drawing enough current, therefore the relay assumes you don't have a bulb, so you get this hyper blinking, and that shows on your indicator right here. Right? Your turn signal indicator is hyper blinking or flashing really fast, and so are your turn signals. So it's doing that to tell you that you have a light bulb that's out, so that you know to replace it. But we don't have a light bulb that's out, obviously, because we're doing LEDs. So in order to fix this, you've got to get a different relay that has a lower wattage pool, or wattage expectation, basically. So those are on Amazon. I'll put a link for the one in particular that I bought. There's several out there, but they're like 10, 15 bucks. You can go the resistor path if you want. If you do, good luck finding places to mount those resistors, because they get really hot and they can't be near anything plastic. And as you can see, everything on this bike is plastic, and anywhere there's metal, there is plastic or wiring near it. So good luck if you go the resistor path. If you want to do the relay path, it's a lot faster, a lot easier, and it makes a lot more sense. So in order to get to that relay on this particular bike, which I had trouble finding it where it was at, I ended up just consulting the service manual, because nobody had posted information that I could find where this relay is located. So without further ado, it is underneath your seat, which you pull off. Then you have your toolbox, your tool tray battery cover here, held on by 2 screws, one there and one there, right? You pull that off, and then you have this mess of wires, okay? Underneath that mess of wires, on the left side of the bike, is where your relay is. So you move this big connector out of the way, and I'm going to try to get in close, stay in focus, but this little black cube right here is your relay, and it's simply held on by like a little rubber mount, and you pull straight up and get it out, and there it is. Okay, so this is what you're wanting to replace. It's a simple 2-pin connector. All right, and to get it off, there's a little tab. You push that tab down, and one-handed it's not fun, but I think I got it. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, this is what you're replacing. Amazon, again, 10, 15 bucks. I'll post a link to the part I purchased. And then you put it in, plug it in here, and you drop it right back down in your box, cover up, and that solves your hyper blinking.